Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund if your Amazon package was stolen. First, sign in to your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, hover over Account and List in the top right corner. Then click your orders. Next, find the missing order. Scroll through your list of orders or filter by date if you don't see it right away. Once you find the order that never arrived, click it and then select Problem with Order. Next, report the issue. Choose the option that says Package didn't arrive or item missing. Then click Request a refund and submit. Amazon usually processes this pretty quickly. Sometimes they'll even resend the item instead of refunding. Next, contact customer service if needed. If the automated process doesn't solve your issue, go to Help or Customer Service. From there, select Delivery, Order, or Return, and you'll see options to chat with support or request a phone call. Talking directly with an agent is the fastest way to get it resolved. And that's it. In most cases, Amazon will either refund your money or send a replacement with no problem. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.